Dear student, hi, welcome to JavaScript functions. This is Nitesh Kumar Biradar. Now in JavaScript, as the JavaScript is different from the other languages, with the help of JavaScript, we can able to create the functions as we create the functions in other languages. Functions is a kind of mini program that form a part of larger program. Now you can see function consists of one or more statements, and it is separated in some way from the rest of the program. For example, being enclosed in curly brace. By specifying a particular name as a function name, we can able to create the functions with the help of curly brackets. So these function names are a unique name so that they can be called from elsewhere in the program. Now functions are used where some operation has to be performed many times within program. Rather than writing same code again and again, it can be written once as function and used repeatedly. For example, here we have request underscore confirmation underscore from underscore user. So this is one function which we declare, and this code can be reusable in many times in a program. To make it easier for someone else to understand your program, rather, rather than writing a long code rambling program in which every single operation is listed in turn, it is usually to better to divide program up to small group of related operations. Now here you can see set variable to initial value, welcome user, obtain user input, perform calculations and display results. Now you can see here in JavaScript, functions are created in the following way. You can have the function as a keyword and the name of the function that should be a unique name uh, with the opening and closing parenthesis, and thereafter opening curly brace and the number of statements and closing curly brace. Note that all the statement except the last statement must be followed by semicolon. The last statement doesn't need one. So, but if you do put a semicolon after the last statement, it won't cause any problem. So here is an example of a simple function. Now function initialize variable is the name of the function. We have opening closing curly braces. You can see at the last line price after tax equals to 0. We have not put a semicolon, so it accepts, and if you want to put the semicolon, you may put the semicolon also.